My name is Harold. I live in Australia, and perhaps apart from meeting my darling wife of 45 years, one of the best things that ever happened to me was finding Julie Tupler and the Tupler technique. I have always been a fitness fanatic and played all kinds of sports. In my latter years, I was playing tennis, going to gym regularly. In fact, had a personal trainer and looked after my body, looked after my diet. Unfortunately, I had an emergency operation for a strangulated bowel, and it was a life-saving operation in which the surgeon virtually cut me from right down the middle, from the sternum to the pubic bone, and in that way restored circulation in the colon and saved my life. Following that operation, I wasn't given any advice as to what had happened to me and didn't know the word diastasis or linea alba, and so resumed my normal activities. I continued with tennis, I continued with gym, doing sit-ups, crunches, leg lifts, not knowing that it was doing more damage to the diastasis than anything I could have dreamed of. After 2 years or so, I could no longer wear my polos, my t-shirts. I had this beer belly, despite the fact that my weight hadn't changed or my diet hadn't changed. I went back to the surgeon, who said to me after examining me, "You're fine," and in typical Australian said, "Mate, you'll never have a six-pack again." On that depressing note, I really thought there's got to be another way. And fortunately on the internet, I came across the Tupler technique. I diligently followed the technique for 18 weeks, the full 18-week program, and was so happy with the results. It so happened that my wife and I were going to visit New York, and I made an appointment with Julie. What a life-changing experience that was. Julie examined me and said, "I'm a long way away from closing the diastasis. Although there's good improvement, it was going to take a long time, perhaps a year, to really close it, as initially I was probably 10 fingers separation." Well, I wasn't put off and learned how to sit properly, to stand properly, to get off chairs, followed the technique, and also carefully followed my exercises, wearing the supports constantly, as one should. And after a year or so, I sent Julie the pictures of the before and after. She came back with a one-word exclamation: "Wow!" Well, it is a wow, because my waist has come down from 38 inches to 33 inches now. I'm back to wearing t-shirts, polos, and my confidence has risen so much. I am very, very grateful for that discovery of the Tupler technique. I am going to continue. As Julia said, it's a lifelong commitment. I'm will continue with the exercise as best I can. I will continue sitting up properly, getting off chairs properly and the like. And all I can say is that I am so very grateful. Julie has restored my confidence and just made my life so much better. Thank you, Julie.